The Leadfan double-din car stereo offers seamless integration with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing users to effortlessly access smartphone features such as music, navigation, and calls through voice control. Equipped with two USB ports, this car stereo not only supports media playback, but also offers a fast charging option to keep your devices powered up on the go. With the enhanced Bluetooth 5.1 technology, the stereo ensures stable and clear hands-free calling and wireless audio streaming, enhancing your in-car listening experience. Safety is prioritized with the included backup camera, which provides a clear view while reversing, aided by night vision and a wide-angle lens for improved parking ease. Installation is straightforward thanks to the standard double-din dimensions, and a detailed manual is provided to guide users through the process. The 7-inch high-definition touchscreen offers responsive and accurate control, supporting full high-definition video playback and clear audio for an enjoyable drive.